I can teach you to make your own Japanese woodblock prints. You probably know Hokusai's famous woodblock prints. What you probably didn't know is that they were made by other people. Those same skills have been passed down for hundreds of years and adapted to modern materials. I can teach you this authentic knowledge from Japan in the comfort of your own home. I've created the world's first online Mokuhanga workshop, which will take you right through the process of designing, carving and printing your own woodblock print. With comprehensive and clear videos and notes, you can engage with this historic and beautiful printmaking technique.